Hello, hello. How are you? It's good to see you here today. Welcome to the channel. My name is Wanjiru. I'm a Kenyan lifestyle medicine specialist and a biochemist. I'm on a mission of reversing 1 million diabetes cases, helping 1 million people escape the nasty, nasty side effects, negative outcomes, and complications of diabetes. I'm on a mission to help 1 million people avoid eye problems, helping 1 million avoid erectile dysfunction, kidney failure, organ failure, diabetic nephropathy, and all the negative consequences of living with diabetes. Thank you for being part of this journey. So today I just wanted to discuss the 9-day fast and why we recommend 9 days fasting for patients who are reversing diabetes. So sometimes people ask me, when we are managing the fasting and supervising them, and it's actually something that we do online. You don't have to be in Kenya, regardless of where you are in this world. You're going to supervise that fast, and people ask me, why 9 days? Why not 10? Why not 12? Why not 15? Why not 2 days? Why not 3 days? Why do we do 9 days fasting? First of all, if you like this content and you want to partner with us in reaching 1 million people, kindly consider liking, subscribing, and sharing this message with someone. So we get into it. Fasting is one of the oldest methods of reversing chronic disease, and it is something that if you are to incorporate in your lifestyle would be quite beneficial in overcoming the many challenges that we have with metabolic syndrome. So the actual number of fasting is actually 5 days. 5 days are the days that you go without food. But we do not want you to dive into the deep waters because we don't know how your body will absorb that metabolic shock. So we ease you into it. So we start the first 2 days of your fast. We are removing glucose from your system. We are helping you to metabolically switch your body to using fats. So we give you fats and we remove sugars from your diet. Okay? So we remove all forms of glucose. We remove all carbohydrates and we help your body to ease into the fast. Then 5 days are the days that you actually go without food, but you do you do wheatgrass juice, you do millet grass juice for those 5 days to increase the level of antioxidants power in the body. Now those are 7 days. And then 2 days after the fast, we ease you into normal eating, and we ease you slowly in a manner that will also again not shock your body, because you can get something that we call refeeding syndrome. And this is something that we are able to supervise our clients from wherever they are. And so why 5 days fasting or why 9 days? I've already explained 4 days. 2 days is to ease into it, to make sure your body is fat adjusted, and to make sure that your body has gotten used to metabolizing of fat, and it's also you're able to also go without food for long periods of time. And then 2 days after the fasting is to help your body to ease into it, to introduce foods slowly so that you don't get refeeding syndrome. The first reason why you're fasting for 5 days is so that you're able to produce stem cells. We want to heal your pancreas. Your pancreas is having issues with releasing of insulin. We want to heal that pancreas. We want to heal your insulin resistance. Your organs are resistant to insulin. Your liver is resistant to insulin. Your muscles are resistant to insulin, and we want to heal that. Your cardiovascular system is affected. Your blood vessels are affected, and we're trying to heal that. The only way to heal is for your body to be able to produce stem cells. And what stem cells will do is that stem cells, number one, they are cells that when they go to any part of the body, they can differentiate it to any type of tissue. The body produces a lot of stem cells after conception. It is stem cells actually when a sperm and an egg come together. It's because of the power of stem cells that they're able to create a whole human being. So stem cells are sent to the ear and they're able to differentiate into the tissue and make the ear, which now is an organ. They go to the nose, stem cells do not know where they're being sent to, and then when they go to the nose, they start differentiating into a manner of a type of a cell that now will behave like a nose, yeah? So when your body is able to produce stem cells, we shall be able to heal your pancreas so that it is able to produce insulin normally. We shall be able to heal your blood vessels, your veins, which have suffered a lot because of hyperinsulinemia. We shall be able to heal your muscles and your liver, which are resistant to insulin. So we shall be able to overcome insulin resistance. So the main reason why we are fasting 5 days is primarily to overcome insulin resistance, is to heal the pancreas, is to heal the blood vessels that are being affected by hyperinsulinemia, and we are trying to use the power of stem cells. The second reason why we are fasting 5 days is to overcome gut dysbiosis. Your gut microbiome affects so many things about your health, and your gut microbiome has a lot to say on your metabolic health. When you do not have a healthy gut, when your gut is not as healthy as it should be, you will have, the word is escaping, the perforations that we have inside the intestines. Yes, you'll have a leaky gut. When your gut microbiome is not as healthy as it should be, you will have metabolic health issues. When your gut microbiome is not as healthy as it should be, besides mental health issues, metabolic health issues, you're going to have issues with your digestive system. So we need to fix your gut, and one of the easiest way of fixing your gut is through fasting. 72 hours are enough to fix your gut, but when you use the power of chlorophyll, this is where we normally use wheatgrass trees and millet grass trees, you'll be able to heal that gut faster. That means when you resume eating, you will have a healthy digestion, you'll have a healthy gut microbiome, which will increase and quicken the rate of your healing. Okay? That is the second reason. Now, the third reason why we normally recommend a 3 days fast is because of BDNF. BDNF stands for brain-derived neurotrophic factor, and BDNF is there to help you just have good mental health. I'd say that when your BDNF is very low, you'll be anxious, you'll be stressed, and it will be very difficult for you to stick to a new diet when you do not have, stability in your mental health. So when you produce BDNF, you are increasing your ability to be calm, to be collected, to be peaceful, to be cool, so that even the new diet and the new lifestyle changes that will be recommended will be easier for you to adapt. Okay, so there are many other reasons. I just highlighted the 3 key reasons why it is 5 days of actual fasting, but 2 days of easing into it and 2 days of getting out of it, which now makes it come to day number 9. Okay, and as I've mentioned to you, we do supervise clients who are fasting for 9 days. We'll tell them what to eat every day, when to eat them. We have guided meditations for these people during this time. We talk to them every day during these 9 days, and it doesn't matter where you are. In this era of the internet, we are in a global village. You can be able to supervise your fast regardless of where you are. Okay, so yeah, so feel free to reach us, feel free to connect with us, and you have something to say. How many days have you ever fasted? What do you think about our long day fast? Just tell us something about it in the comment section. Yeah, let me just know your thoughts, your opinions, your feedback, and anything you'd like us to tell us. And it's a goodbye for now. Have a good one.